have a bathroom that I want to remodel, and I've got a pretty large space for a tub, and I've got some ideas, but I don't really know where to start. Can you help me find something that would work?
Sure. As you can see right here behind us, we have several different styles of freestanding tubs and different sizes, starting with something like a 60-inch standard size tub, all the way up to something like this one that's oversized, almost 7 feet long.
Pretty nice. I like it. I like the way this looks.
Super Home Surplus makes things easy, and they can help you with all of the options. They are there to help walk you through a range of styles and materials available to make the space your own, but also to work within your budget.
Well, I see that some of these tubs are pretty big, and my bathroom is actually on the second level, so I'm a little concerned about weight and construction. What do I need to know?
The good thing about these tubs, they are great for a second level bathroom because they're not that heavy. It's an acrylic tub. Also comes with as you see, a high gloss finish, which makes it easy to keep clean and maintain.
Looks like the prices are really great on these too.
Yes, very.
The Super Home Surplus staff is more than happy to get you on the right track or help you with ideas if you don't know where to start. So feel free to stop by the store or give Super Home Surplus a call if you need anything.
Super Home Surplus has stores in Madison and Bowling Green. You can visit superhomesurplus.com for more information.